Hi everyone and welcome back to a new video. So today I'm back to show you how to achieve this single crochet granny square or single crochet square. Very easy and quick to make, and it's just a repetitive row. So without further ado, we'll get started. So as always, I'm using medium worsted yarn and a 6mm crochet hook this time. I'm gonna start by making a slip knot, and I'll chain 2. So what I will make, 2 single crochet, chain 2, total of 4 times. Two single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet, chain 2, 2 single crochet, all in the second chain from the loop, and 2 single crochet to close the last one. We'll slip stitch in the first stitch, and we got the first square. Now onto the row 2, chain 1, single crochet in the next stitch. Now in all the 4 corners it will be the same, 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, all in the corner, and then 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and again in the corner 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, and we will repeat the same until we close the square again. So corners is 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet, and then in the stitches 1 single crochet, and we repeat. And we are back to the starting point, and I'll slip stitch. This is how it looks so far. One more row, and the following rows will be all the same. So chain 1, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, again in the corner 1 single crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet. Now 1 single crochet in the next stitches. So the stitches are increasing, therefore the number of single crochet in the stitches. So throughout the work, no matter how big you want your square to be, this is what you will keep doing. Single crochet in every stitch, and in every corner single crochet, chain 2, single crochet only. And now coming back to the starting point, I have 1 single crochet to make and join. And this is how it is with the increase. So you can make different sizes. This is how it looks in the small size, and this is a bigger size, and then it's up to you how big you want it. You can make different squares, or you can make a blanket or a pillow cover out of this. It's up to you. You'll find, as always, the written pattern in the description box with all the information required, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.